All right. I'm wearing my red shirt today, so you should be mentally aware of what this video is going to be about. All right. It's going to be bearish. Um, so, Bitcoin as obviously took a big hit from the FOMC meeting. I was hoping it was already priced in, but there's a bit of an emergency I guys want you guys to be aware of because Bitcoin did break out of a very important level of support, and it's retesting it right now. And we want to make sure that Bitcoin gets back above a certain level, or else we could see Bitcoin going down to around like potentially even $12,000 based off the measurable target of this formation. I'll show you guys what I see on the inside. First, I'm going to flex the profits of people that weren't supposed to trade today. So we got Didier 1 trades, 23% gain, 10x leverage. We got Crypto Oscar, 47% gain, trading a short on Atom, 10x leverage. And we got Chris LC, 134% gain with 100x leverage. And then just now, a few minutes ago, 5-1, 22% gain shorting Bitcoin and 38% gain shorting Bitcoin as well. All right, cool. So I'll show you guys what I see on the inside so you can get mentally prepared for potentially the worst. I'm hoping, this doesn't actually occur, but I just guys want you to be prepared just in case, okay? Because I have a lot of money in Bitcoin, and I'm just going to show you how I'm going to react off of this level of support if it acts as resistance. So I'll see you guys on the inside. Before I get into it, I just do want to let you guys know that I'm not gonna be using these titles all the time in my videos, like emergency, blah blah blah. I know a lot of crypto YouTubers do it, and it brings a lot of clickbait, and I don't normally like using it. It's just because this is actually an emergency, and I just don't want to you guys to assume that I'm going to be doing that all the time just to get you to click on the video. But anyways, let's go over the DXY really quick so we can talk about that really quick. Right now we're on the weekly chart, but you can see the price action right now. We're at a level that we haven't been at since, let's see, about June of 2002. So about 20 years. So we're getting close to the measurable target of this formation right here at 115. But today during the meeting, they did state that they could be increasing the rates by another 125 basis points by the time this is over. So you guys got to be prepared for that. So anyways, let's go over to the hourly chart, because yesterday we were talking about the double bottom formation right here. We did hit the technical target for it right here, and we actually got way above the technical target. And these candles right here, this insane amount of volatility, is roughly where the meeting happened, right? And for those who watch the charts, especially on like the lower time frames, you know that it was just pretty intense. And we actually got the news a little bit earlier from London news, so a lot of people reacted to it sooner than most were able to. So let's bring down this chart, and let's go over to another chart really quick. This is my primary chart. Actually, that's way too much noise. One sec here. Yeah, here we go. So we're looking at this descending triangle right here, and based on this daily candle, which is about to close in about an hour from now, we can see that we broke this level of support within the descending triangle, and this is technically a breakout. So if we end up having this candle close, this confirms the breakout, and if it comes back up and we do not get back inside the formation, right, and we end up using this as a level of resistance, the technical target for this formation is down here at $12,000. And now this is an extremely strong level of interest when we get down there. So if we do end up going all the way down to the technical target, the bounce will be insanely strong. But we did talk about how we are inside a falling wedge right now. Let's take a look at the older time frames. We got this area of interest at 15,400. We do have a potential bounce at 13,900 as well, based off other charts. Let me pull out my daily chart here so we can. I don't have it drawn on this chart. But yeah, we're in a falling wedge. If I grab the trend line here and just make it thicker so you guys can see. I'm sorry about all the noise in this chart. But basically, yeah, we have this potential downtrend level of support right here to keep us from hitting the technical target, and we might have a strong bounce right here. And we do have this strong level of interest in confluence at that, so we could see a strong bounce roughly around here, so we might not hit the technical target. So I just want you to be prepared that if I do see this level of support act as resistance right here, that I'm going to be selling my Bitcoin, all of my Bitcoin. And I'll rebuy if we get back inside the formation and accept a little bit of a loss just to protect myself. But if we come back up here and we get rejected, then I'm going to sell all my Bitcoin and prepare to rebuy it at that support level I showed you on the chart just now, around 15,000. Especially if we get the bounce and we see a reversal formation like a double bottom or inverse head and shoulder, stuff like that, then I will use that formation to help dictate a reversal and then enter off of that and hopefully double the amount of Bitcoin I have, at the same time protecting my capital from the drop. So I just want to let guys be aware that this could be the moment where we see Bitcoin drop to these lower levels. Now it could take a few days to play out, so just try to be patient to see how the candles will print and see if we get that rejection. But basically, Bitcoin has about an hour to get back inside this formation, or else we could see it go down to those lower levels. So that's everything for Bitcoin. But I do want to show you Ethereum as well, because Ethereum is greatly impacted by Bitcoin's price action. If we go over to Ethereum, we do see that we did break out of this head and shoulders. Not head and shoulders, this double top. I do believe we were talking about this in the previous video, but basically the measurable target would bring us to, one sec here, sorry. This next level of support right here. So we're already breaking through this level of support. And if we have this close the way it is, then it could confirm that we could be going closer to this technical target. So if you're in this short, then awesome, good job. But yeah, the technical target could bring us down to around 1,062, 1,050 level. We do have a strong level of interest right here at 1,090. So just prepare for that, for potentially being a level of support, and we might have a short-term reversal. If you want to prepare for this, so basically what you need to do is you just have a trend line in place, move it above where you would want to take profits, right? Maybe around this valley right here, and just have an alarm set for it so you can prepare for it. And that way, if you see a reversal beforehand, then you can get out earlier. But yeah, that's pretty much everything. I just want to let you guys know that there could be a lot more bearish price action in play, especially since the Feds just increased their rates. And this is the reaction to it. All right. So that's pretty much everything I got for you. If you have any questions about this, you can reach out to me in the Discord. I'll do my best to help you out, and have yourself an amazing day. Thanks for watching.